Hello there and a very good afternoon. The repatriation of hundreds of Rohingya Muslims appeared unlikely to proceed as planned after those who were eligible told the UN Refugee Agency and the Bangladesh government that they did not want to return to Myanmar unless their citizenship and safety were ensured. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina said her government will not force the refugees to return and the repatriation will only happen if they are willing. Myanmar has certified 3,450 refugees from 1,056 families as eligible for repatriation from Bangladesh's Cox's Bazar district, where about 1 million Rohingya refugees are sheltered. Myanmar's Buddhist majority military began a harsh counterinsurgency campaign against Rohingya Muslims in August 2017 in response to an insurgent attack. More than 700,000 Rohingya fled what has been called an ethnic cleansing campaign involving mass rapes, killings, and burning of thousands of their homes. Japan and South Korea agreed yesterday on the need for dialogue to resolve a feud over compensating Korean wartime workers that has spilled over into trade. Speaking outside Beijing after talks with South Korean Foreign Minister Kang Kyung-hwa, Japanese Foreign Minister Taro Kono said the two countries shared the view on the need to resolve the dispute, which is a bitter legacy Japan's 1910 until 1945 colonization of the Korean peninsula. Relations soured last October after the South Korean Supreme Court ordered some Japanese firms to compensate Korean wartime workers, a move strongly condemned by Tokyo, which says the matter was resolved by a 1965 treaty normalizing ties. South Korea's Yonhap news agency reported the meeting had been meaningful in restoring diplomatic dialogue and that the two sides agreed to keep talking. "14 people were likely injured when a flight operated by Spanish charter airline Ivalab from Mauritius to Madrid hit severe turbulence. The company said the Airbus 330 aircraft landed safely at Madrid airport on Tuesday night after suffering a 15-second episode of clear air turbulence, which caused the plane to drop 100 meters. The airline said the seatbelt warning activated before the plane flew into the turbulence zone. Ivalab, which is based in Spain's Balearic Islands, operates short and long-haul flights out of Spain and Portugal on behalf of tour operators. And that is all from me. I'm Shira Abamanso for TV Sarawak. Thank you for watching.